Today guys, I have decided to come inside Nairobi's little forest, otherwise known as the city park. This is very peaceful guys. As if you know me very well, if you've been following me, this is exactly what I advocate for. Advocate for nature guys. This is a place I must do a proper tour here guys. I'm really happy to be here today guys. As you can see, to me today I'm inside Nairobi City Park. I want to go visit the monkeys, the little animals over there, the birds, everything that is inside this forest. I want to go and cover. Guys, pray for me. Keep on subscribing to my channel. Let us reach 1,000 subscribers. Okay, come with me. It is such an amazing day today as I am crossing through the city park. Today I am taking a walk inside city park. So many people, so many monkeys around. This is what gives this place its ambience. It's very nice ambience, very nice look. Okay, the city park is 100% forest. I should recommend this place to any visitor coming to Nairobi. Monkeys are everywhere. This is one of the iconic features of City Park Nairobi. And guess what? The entrance is free. You know, sometimes a person wants so much luxury, and they think this luxury is paid for through money or with money, but no. Nowadays all you need is to just have a little plan, a little brain to understand. Here is a monkey, he wants to jump for me or on me, and I don't know where it is going. City Park is full of the different trees, different variety and species. This is very good for your peace of mind, where you need to come and rest. There is a forest inside here, so I'm trying to capture things slowly as I go through. Again, my security here, I'm not sure. Okay, so many people sleeping, but you just groove with it. Like I told you, this place is so quiet. The ambience is relaxed. I'm telling you, I'm missing this life. I really missed it. Imagine getting to walk through a park in Nairobi and you're not paying anything. You know, very different from what we're used to outside there. From time to time you'll be meeting with people, they look relaxed, they look like they're sleeping. So here the vibe is you come, you create your own ambience, create your own vibration for yourself that you think will work for you. So continue walking with me inside the City Park Nairobi. Okay guys, please, let's work together to make my channel a success. Okay, just ensure you subscribe, tell a friend to subscribe, so that the channel can continue growing, you know. So guys, allow me to continue taking you along. For those that haven't seen me, today I've decided to take a vacation inside Nairobi's City Park. It's a forest within Nairobi CBD, and as you can see, things are the way they are. It's so quiet, so a lot of monkeys everywhere. There's a river down there. I want us to go and explore together. Imagine what you can do when we make our rivers clear. Just imagine the difference in which it can make. Welcome back to another interesting episode guys. I go by the name Steve Biko 254. Today I am somewhere very unique. I'm inside Nairobi's National Park, the real one. I'll call it the real one, leave alone the one that has different premonitions to it. This one is real. I'm inside Nairobi City Park. Inside there is water. As you can see, guys, there is water flowing. The vibe is forest. The vibe is nature. All types of trees you might want to imagine. I am here today, guys. I am taking a video. I see monkeys all around me, so guys, I want to go and try to feed them. Let's see how that goes. Alright, if this is your first time, remember to like, subscribe and share. Okay, guys, you will not believe where I am. I am inside the forest. This forest is none other than the infamous City Park. City Park is known for its monkeys, versatile vegetation, different types of vegetation. It's almost like walking inside a real complete forest. You will not believe the game I have just discovered in Nairobi. This place is the most I have seen forest in the city of Nairobi. This is the most I have seen. A lot of monkeys everywhere. And have I told you I fed the monkeys? It really felt good. Probably when I go back up there, I will show you what it is I have done regarding the monkeys. Guys, as you can see, I'm somewhere inside the forest. I don't know where I am. I'm lost. But again, this is part of my journey as a man that goes through the jungle. This is Nairobi City. Today I decided to take a walk, pass through rivers and forests. Now I'm inside here. I don't know where this road leads us to, but let's just go and watch. Okay. That looks a lot like the cemetery, but whatever it is. So guys, I've just come from there. That is a forest. Today I'm taking a walk inside this park. I don't know what name it is, but it has really replenished my soul. Like, this is what I've been manifesting for a minute. And today I'm here. I'm here, guys. I'm here. Okay. So allow me to take a pause. I'll continue this video soon. As you can see, people are asleep here. These are local monkeys having snatched a packet of so guys, let's go chill over there around this tree. It's beautiful. I'm telling you, the trees are beautiful. I've never seen trees look this beautiful before. The trees are amazing. It is interesting to note that this place is held together with the Shri something. This is an Indian organization, I believe. The Indian organization, I believe, is the one taking care of most of the things happening here. So guys, allow me to sit down and enjoy myself. Right about now I'm sitting at City Park, Nairobi. I'm sitting under this beautiful tree behind me. A lot of monkeys are around. I'm telling you, the situation here looks very beautiful. So today guys, I decided to come around this forest area and just relax and let loose. I'm telling you, being around so many trees gives me this feeling, like this feeling you don't get anywhere. So much beautiful trees. I mean, can you look at that? Look at that, 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 look at that. So much flowers, so many flowers. Okay, this is us just chilling around here. Oh, and a monkey is coming, so let me see if I've got some food for it. Okay, I want to give this monkey food. All right, so let me invite it. See, now I want to give it food. I am calling the monkey. I don't know if you guys are seeing it. Come, 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 Mr. Monkey. Have food. Now come, come. And you can see guys, it's like it's a lady. Guys, do you see the monkey? I've given it food. I don't know where it was going to. There's a lady. And another lady is also coming. Can see, do you see it? So let me try and see if I've got food. Sometimes you just want to chill outside. Just to be you, nature, some blue flowers on the ground. Just you doing you know. Not much, just you chilling by yourself. Big tree, how are you? Guys, I am currently sitting at a place inside Nairobi City Park, the main restaurant. The idea is I have been taking some time out to really refresh myself, refresh my time, you know, so that I could come back stronger. So I decided to come here. Probably at this point I'll have to flip the camera. I decided to come here so that I am sitting somewhere inside a City Park restaurant. Today I decided to visit this place to check out the ambience. I'm beginning my episodes and series on joints and restaurants where people need to come and explore once they're in Nairobi City. The first I have put on the list is City Park. City Park is one that offers amazing sceneries because the variety of trees planted here are in their hundreds of, if not thousands, different varieties and spectrum. So as I'm sitting down like this, I have just ordered myself some French fries and soda, but they're taking too long to offer. So I don't know, probably this is the review that I can give them for now. Kindly guys, if you come across this video, remember to like, subscribe and share. Tell a friend to keep on subscribing to my channel. The journey to 1,000 subscribers begins now. So let me show you around as I continue to wait for my food to come. I promise you today that I will show you around City Park, and most definitely I will give you a good tour of the place. Alright. So guys, I have just finished eating from this City Park restaurant. I can say that the place is relatively fair, not too expensive, not too cheap. Therefore, I can say things here are not that bad. So today has been just a simple tour of City Park, where I get to show you the forests, the different biodiversity here. I'm actually doing a detour. That means I want to finally exit this place. However, not without showing you what City Park has got to offer. City Park is right in the middle of the town, just border with Pangani. On your way to Thika, you get to experience this beautiful, amazing scenery, where the entrance is free, absolutely free. You can see that is where we have come from, and that is where we are heading to. So right now I want to cross the river. I want this road to take me up the other side. Therefore that means I will have to come back. Don't know if you can see those squirrels over there. There are some little squirrels that are just across on the... Do you see that squirrel? I think I should get a better camera, because this one is not doing any justice. However, those are the squirrels. Okay. Therefore guys, it's been an amazing tour of Nairobi City Park. I came here in the morning. The views were just amazing. The trees were excellent. Therefore, this place is very beautiful, very beautiful. Alright. There are monkeys here, baboons, squirrels, all those things you want to see. Just maybe this other biodiversity is what I'm here to find out. Otherwise, I'm really happy that I've been able to come along this route. And this is a very good indication of man and wildlife coexistence. Therefore guys, today has been such a nice day. I have finished vlogging. As you can see, the monkeys are also, I think, have retreated back to their basic places. So allow me to take you on this royal tour. See that? That is also another different biodiversity. Okay. So things are just going on here. Things are well over here. Next time you are in Nairobi, make an effort of coming through City Park. City Park is in Nairobi, Kenya. The entrance is free. You can do a lot of interesting activities around here. Birds are everywhere. You can hear the chirping, the noises. It's a beautiful day. So guys, reaching here, I'd like to do an outro for this particular video and say it has been a nice tour of City Park. I really enjoyed it. Till we meet in the next one. Promise to give you more amazing content. Please remember to like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching. This is the road that leads towards the exit of this place. I'm told City Park is only good during the day, but at night so many incidences happen. Of course, with all these trees and all this different vegetation, you can be well sure that criminal elements might always be lagging somewhere within the dark. It is normal, it happens. Therefore, I am taking this route back home. It's been a nice day inside the forest. So I'll show you, I'll keep coming back to these particular places. You know, I always give you, I'm like your plug for the best chill out spots, okay? So many people come here to do park and chill, where you just come with the vehicle, then you chill outside here, then everything will be okay, alright? Guys, this is my journey outside the park. As you can see, I am now heading outside. It's been a nice tour of City Park. All around, everything is beautiful, the trees are amazing. So hopefully I've inspired you to be able to also come here and enjoy such amazing scenery like I am showing you right now. Always remember that there is no limit to what you can do, what you can achieve. For me today, I've really enjoyed myself watching everything, the wildlife here, the scenery. It's amazing. The trees looking very beautiful. Alright, so till you meet in the next one, guys, I'll tell you to meet me in my next vlog as I continue to show you more amazing content every single day. Alright, so allow me to take a break right now. I'm heading home. It's been a nice day touring this place. So always remember there is no limit to what you can achieve. Remember to integrate back in nature, because 2024 it's that year. Everything is rising up so fast, so we better equip ourselves to be alright. Okay.